Dear students, now we shall discuss the question number 11. In the following figure, E is a point on side CB produced. So this is the side CB. So this is produced, means CE is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. So ABC is a what? Isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC, with AB is equal to what? AC. Next, if AD drawn perpendicular to EF, AD perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Next, and EF perpendicular to AC, EF is perpendicular to AC. Next, prove that. What we have to prove? ABD triangle similar to ECF. ECF. Okay, we have to prove it. Now let us take first given. So what the given? AB is equals to AC. Given that AB is equals to AC. AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, can I write angle ABD ABC is equals to ACB. In the triangle ABC, two sides are equal, AB and AC. Then the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. The angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. I can write. Okay. Now, next, what the given? AD is perpendicular to BC. This is 90 and this is also 90. So, but you concentrate on the triangle ABD, this triangle, and ECF. If angle C is equal to angle B, then in the triangle ACB, this is angle. In the triangle ACB, this angle, or I will take this angle for this triangle. What is that? ECF. So for ECF triangle, angle C is equal to ABD. So means these two angles are equal. In this triangle C, in this triangle B. So I got one condition. Okay. So angle B is equal to angle C. For these two triangles, I got one condition. Next, angle I got. You can get another angle AA. You can apply AA similarity criterion, or it may be SAS. Here SAS may not be possible. I'll go for another angle. Now, in this triangle ECF, this angle is 90 degree because they given it. Okay, here. And in the triangle ABD, this angle is 90 degree because that is also given. And next, what I can write? In triangle ECF, this angle is 90 degree. Angle EFC is equals to 90 degree. It is what given. It is also. Next, in this triangle I got this is of 90 degree. Then again in this triangle ABD, this angle is 90 degree. That is angle ADB is equals to 90 degree. So this is also given. Now I got two conditions here. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, in these two triangles, what I got here? ABC is equal to angle ACB. Okay, and these two are also equal. That is EFC is equals to ADB. Okay. Now ABD and ECF triangle. You see here in ABD, which angle it is? For this triangle, this is angle ABD triangle. This angle B. In place of C, can you take this as a D? This implies ABD. So angle ABC is nothing but what? Angle ABD I can write is equal to ACB for another triangle ECF. So for triangle ECF, ACB can be written as FCE. So this is FCE. So this angle I can write as a what? FCE, because this is the angle. ACB is nothing but this angle. FCE is also this angle. Okay. So AA similarity criterion I can apply. So therefore triangle which is that ABD similar to triangle ECF, because AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Okay, you must write the reason. Next, question number 12. You see the question. Sides AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. See the given figure. They have given the figure. Show that triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So let us take first given figure. So this is a triangle ABC. This as BC. Okay. So this is ABC triangle. Another one is what? PQR. So I will take another triangle, that is PQR. PQR it is. Now, what they given? Sides AB, BC and median AD. So median is AD. So let us draw the median, this as AD. So median is nothing but what? AD is the median, is nothing but D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. If AD is the median, D is the midpoint of BC. It means BD is equal to DC I can write. Similarly, next, proportional to the sides PQ and QR and median PM of PM. From P I have to draw median PM. Okay. Of triangle of PQR. Okay. Show that ABC is similar to PQR. I have to prove it. Okay. Once again, you see the question. Sides AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides. First side they have given AB divided by what I can write here. So here first triangle of first side of triangle ABC, AB given. Then first side of triangle PQR, what they given? PQ, AB divided by PQ is equal to, because proportional to the is equal to PQ. Then BC divided by second one is what? QR is equals to, next, median AD of triangle ABC divided by PM. Okay. So this is the condition. Proportional to the sides. Next, we have to prove that ABC is similar to PQR. Okay. Once again, concentrate here. AB, PQ are proportional to each other. Then BC, QR is proportional. Then the median AD and PM, they are proportional to each other. Now, so this is what given it is. Given. I want to prove that ABC similar to PQR. ABC is similar to PQR. Now AB, PQ, BC, QR. Now if I prove this angle are equal, means angle B is equal to angle Q, then automatically I can show that ABC is similar to PQR, because yes, A, then yes. SAS similarity criterion, by using that I can say that ABC is similar to PQR. Yes, AS, here two S they are given, this S and this S they are given here. AB, PQ, one S. Then BC, QR, another S. Okay. So I have to prove this angle as equal. These two angle B is equal to angle Q. For that reason, to prove this angle B is equal to Q, I prove ABD similar to PQM by using this condition only. How? So first I'll take AB divided by PQ as it is. AB divided by PQ. First what I'm going to prove? ABD similar to PQM. I'm going to prove. So AB PQ written is equal to. Next AD PM. I'll take this condition. AD divided by PM. Okay. So first keep. Then BC is there. So in BC, can I write it as 2 into BD? Can I write in place of BC? Because BD is equal to DC is there. So BC is nothing but BD plus BD I can write. BD plus BD, that is 2BD. Otherwise, CD plus CD also you can write. No problem at all. So in place of BC I'll write as 2BD. Next in place of QR. In place of QR. So that is PM is a median of this triangle. Therefore M is the midpoint of QR. Then QM is equal to MR I can write. So in place of QR, QM plus QM. So this I can write as what? 2QM. Can I write it? 2QM. Then 2 will get cancelled. AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to AD. AD by PM. AD by PM is equal to BD by QM. BD divided by QM. Now in these two triangles ABD and PQM, so all the sides are proportional to each other. All the sides are proportional to each other by using SASS similarity criterion. SSS similarity criterion. I can say that ABD similar to triangle PQM. ABD similar to PQM because SSS similarity criterion. Okay. Now, if these two triangles are similar, then can I write angle B is equal to angle Q? It means ABD. It means ABD is equals to angle PQM. PQM. Because these two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Means for the angle B, angle Q. Okay, BQ, AP like this. So this implies this ABD I can write as ABD is nothing but ABCs. So this is nothing but what? Angle ABC. Then PQM can be written as PQR. This is what? PQR. Okay. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what I got? Two conditions. AB by, this is given, AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR. First I take this two. Then another already I proved here. So that is angle ABC is equals to angle PQR. Now I got SAS. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is because of SAS similarity criterion. Okay. Hence we proved it. So in these two triangles I got SAS. So ABC PQR. In ABC, yes, it means first one, AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ. A. So A is nothing but angle B is equal to angle Q. ABC PQR. ABC PQR. Then S A and one more S. BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR. So this is what given it is. I'll write it here as given. Now, therefore, by using SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Okay. So this is what question number 12. Next question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. First I shall draw a triangle ABC. So this is angle triangle ABC. D is a point on the side BC. So you don't know whether it is midpoint of BC or not. Okay, they have not given. Well, randomly I will take the point D on BC. Then, so ADC. For that I have to join AD. ADC, this angle is equal to angle BAC. So this angle, these two angles are equal. They are given it. Then I have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So CA square is equal to CB into CD. So this I can write as CA into CA, CB into CD. Now, to prove this, I am simplifying this. Now CA, one CA keep as it is. I will take a CB or CD, anyone you can take. Okay. So first I will take a CB. Then after I will think of it is equal to CD divided by CA. CD divided by CA. Like this I can write. Okay. Now keep this as it is. Now you come here. This angle means one angle of triangle ABC and another one angle of triangle ADC. They given that these two angles are equal. It indirectly shows that if I prove ABC triangle similar to ADC, then is it possible to get this condition? You think of it. So if ABC similar to ADC, for ABC, CA will be there or AC will be there, and ADC also AC will be there. So I can get two ACs, CA square. Then another one, another two more I want, CB and CD sides. CB, in triangle ABC I will get CB, and CD, in this triangle ADC I can get CD. So therefore it means ADC triangle must be similar to ABC. We have to prove it. Okay. Why I have to take only ADC and ABC? They given some hint. This angle, this is angle in triangle ABC, and this is angle in triangle ADC. It means maybe the ABC and ADC are similar, then automatically I can get this condition. We have to think. If you take, instead of ADC, if you take ABD, you may not get this. Because CB and CD. So here, CD not there. In the triangle ADB, you are not getting the side CD. So that side CD is there in the triangle ADC. So that we have to take the triangle ADC and ABC. Okay. Now, given that first, what they given? Given that angle ADC, where is that? Here. Angle ADC is equal to BAC. Okay. Angle A I got. One more. In triangle ADC, angle C. Similarly, in the triangle ABC, that is also angle C is there. Means ACB. Now alright, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, in triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to ACD. Can I write ACD? These two angles are equal. ACB or ADC. According to the triangles, I have to take it. One condition I got. Another condition I already written here. That is what? ADC. So ADC. This is the angle of triangle ADC. Angle ADC is equal to BAC. So this is the angle of triangle ABC. BAC. Okay. By using AA similarity criterion, we can prove that triangle ABC similar to. Now, for the angle A, what I have to write? For angle B, what I have to write? For angle C, what I have to write? Now for C, they said here as C. Means for C, third one I can write C only. Then for D, angle A must write. For D, A. D is in second position, A I must write here. Okay? Am I right? For D, it is A. No. Here I cannot write. For D, A. Here A is there. So in place of A, what I can write? D. So this is D. Second, B, empty space. So what I can write? D over, then C over. Remaining is what? A. Okay. So ABC. ABC is similar to triangle. Similar to triangle DAC. Now, if these two triangles, because yes, AA similarity criterion, AA similarity criterion, you write it, okay, because of AA similarity criterion. Now, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio or proportional, means AB divided by AD. AB divided by AD is equals to, then BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC is equal to BC by AC. Then AC divided by CD. AC divided by CD. Okay. Because corresponding sides of a similar triangle. Okay. You write the reason. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Similar triangle. Okay, write it. In what you write? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, so I will take these two conditions only. Why? Because I need this. That's why. So, take last two terms. Take last two terms. What you will get here? BC divided by AC. AC divided by CD. Now cross multiplication, what will get? AC square is equal to BC into CD. Okay. So hence we proved it. Next 14th question. Question number 14. Again, this is the same as question number 12. Sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC. First you draw triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. AD is the median. AD is the median. So since it is a median, D must be the midpoint of BC. So here D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Next, another triangle. Proportional to the sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Another triangle PQR I will take. PQR. PM is the median here. PM is the median, means QM is equal to MR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to PQR. Given that, what are the sides? AB, first side for another triangle, that is PQ, is equal to, then AC divided by another side PR is equal to, then median AD divided by PM. Okay. So this is same as question number 12, but here some difference is there. In place of this, they have given this BC by QR they given. Okay. So this is different and that is different. So if they given BC by QR, easily will get. Already we saw question number 12. But here they given AC divided by PR. Okay. So there, instead of this, they given BC divided by QR. Now, so how to prove triangle ABC similar to PQR? Okay. How we can prove here? First, for this, I have to construct some other triangles. How I can construct means, instead of this, I'll write here only it is. Given, I'll write a downside. I'll leave the space here. Given that, what are the given conditions? That is AB divided by PQ, then AC divided by PR, then AD divided by QM. They given. Okay. Now, in these two triangles, I have to construct AD is there, na? The same length I have to take a DM. So I have to draw a line DM, that DM is equal to AD. In that way I have to draw. This is M. So now M already written there. A, B, C, D. I'll take it as E. Okay? Because M already written here. A, B, C, D, E. DE is equal to AD. Similar here also. I have to draw MN. MN I will draw. So this is MN. MN is equal to PM. In that way I have to choose. This is what N. Okay. Now join BE. Join BE. So just concentrate on this question number 12. This is very important. Okay. So this will take long procedure. Join BE and CE. BE and CE join. Next, similarly here. Join QN and RN. Okay, join. Now construct, I'll write it now. Construct DE and MN such that D is equal to AD. That is very important. I have drawn DE length is equal to AD such that DE is equal to AD and D is equal to AD. MN is equal to PM. MN is equals to PM. Okay? MN is equal to PM. So that the quadrilaterals, we got quadrilaterals ABCD, sorry, ABEC and PQNR are so these quadrilaterals will be the parallelograms. Why? Now here already in the triangle ABC, AD is the median. It means BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC means D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Now I constructed a DE is equal to AD means D is the midpoint of AE. So it means D is the midpoint of BC as well as D is the midpoint of AE. Means these two diagonals are bisect with each other. These two diagonals are bisect with each other. Here also same. So that is PN and QR diagonals bisect with each other. Now if in the quadrilateral diagonals are bisect with each other, they may be rhombus, okay, or square, or rectangle, or parallelogram. These are the possibilities. These may not become square. Why? Because they are not said that BC is equal to AE. If BC is equal to AE, then automatically you can say that this quadrilateral is square. It may not be the square. Leave it. Then again, it may not be the rectangle. Again, in rectangle also diagonals are equal. So in diagonals are not equal here. They are not said BC is equal to AE. So these two quadrilaterals are not square or not rectangle. Another one is rhombus. Again, they are not. These two quadrilaterals are not rhombus because in rhombus all the sides are equal. They have not given that AB and AC are equal. Means PQ and PR are equal. They have not said. Again, these two quadrilaterals are not rhombus, square or rectangle. Remaining one is a parallelogram. So these two quadrilaterals must be the parallelogram. Why? Because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That is one condition. And diagonals bisect with each other. and diagonals are not equal there in parallelogram. So in this condition, diagonals are not equal and they are bisecting with each other. It means, so these two quadrilaterals must be the parallelogram, not any other square or rhombus or rectangle. So these two quadrilaterals are parallelograms. Parallelograms. Okay, this is very important. I must write here. What is that? I constructed D and Mn. So this D is equal to AD and Mn is equal to PM. Now I got two quadrilaterals ABC and PQNR. So these two quadrilaterals are parallelogram because in these two quadrilaterals diagonals are bisect with each other and those two diagonals are not equal. So it means so that diagonal property will be there in parallelogram only, not in any other quadrilaterals. Therefore, these two quadrilaterals are parallelograms. So here we got idea about that these two quadrilaterals are parallelograms. If these two are parallelogram, one more condition in parallelogram is what? Opposite sides are equal. So with that condition I will write AC is equal to opposite sides. AC is equal to B I can write. AC is equal to B and AB is equal to EC. AB is equals to EC. Okay. And full point. Again same here. PQ is equal to RN. PQ is equals to RN. Here I will write full point. Sorry, comma. Here I will write and. Okay. AB equal to EC. AB is equals to EC. Next, PQ is equal to PQ is equals to RN. One more is that PR is equal to QN. PR is equals to PR is equal to QN. Okay. Pause the video, write this first, then I'll solve it. Now you take this as equation number 1. Already you written this. Okay. You mentioned that as equation number 1. Okay. Now let us continue it. Keep in that that is equation 1 is already written. Now continuation. Now from equation number 1. Now from equation number 1. From equation number 1, AB divided by PQ, AC divided by PR is equal to ED divided by PM. Okay, this is given. Now next up, I'll write AB as it is, PQ. I'm going to prove that triangle ABC is similar to PQR. For that, I have to prove triangle ABE similar to PQN. Okay. Before showing triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, I have to prove triangle ABE similar to triangle PQN. Similarly, then I can prove ACE similar to triangle PRN. Okay. First, I have to prove these two triangles are similar. AB by PQ. AB divided by PQ, then AC by PR. So for this triangle only I have to take the sides. AC in place of AC I can write as what? BE, because this is a quadrilateral. Sorry, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Already written here. In place of AC I can write as BE divided by PR. So in place of PR what I can write? QN is equal to. Now here AD. So I multiply and divide numerator. Sorry, I multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 2AD, 2PM. Can I write? No change at all. If you cancel these two, again I will get the same. Why I written like this? 2AD is nothing but what? 2AD is nothing but AE. Because I constructed DE is equal to AD. So AD plus AD, it means 2AD. 2AD is nothing but what? AE. So now here next, AB divided by PQ is equal to BE divided by QN is equals to 2AD. 2AD is nothing but what? AE divided by 2PM. 2PM is nothing but what? PN. Okay. Now I got the corresponding sides of these two triangles are similar. Corresponding sides of these two triangles are in same ratio or proportional. Therefore, what I can write? Triangle ABE. Triangle ABE similar to triangle PQN. Okay, because SSS similarity criterion, you write it. Okay, because SSS similarity criterion. Don't forget to write this. Next, I proved these two triangles ABE similar to PQN. Similarly, before that, if these two triangles are similar, can I write angle, this angle is equal to this angle? Can I write? Means BAD or BAE is equal to QPN. These are the corresponding angles of similar triangle. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So this implies angle BAE is equal to the angle QPN. Because again you write here, what you can write? Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay, you write it in word. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Next, you take this as equation number 2, otherwise leave it. By proving AB similar to PQN, I got this condition. Similarly, okay, similarly, I will write it now here. Similarly, ACE, triangle ACE similar to triangle PRN. This implies EAC, angle EAC is equal to NPR. Again, this is because of corresponding angles of similar triangles. Again, corresponding angles of similar triangles. You write it in word. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Now, by observing this, you can take this as equation number 2 and I will take this as equation number 3. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. So these two angles. Okay. So these two angles are equal. From 2 and 3, can I write angle BAC is equal to angle QPR? Can I write? So if I take this as X, this will be X. If I take this as Y, this will be Y again. Angle A is nothing but X plus Y. Angle P is nothing but what? X plus Y. Okay. So therefore, angle A is equal to angle P, I can write. Angle A is equal to angle P. Okay. Therefore, otherwise, you copy this. Next, if I got this condition in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, I have to prove these two triangles are similar. Already proved this. Angle BAC is equal to angle QPR, and one more condition they given. What is that? AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ is equal to AC divided by PR. SAS. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR because SAS similarity criterion. Because of SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. By using SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. I proved it. So this is a very long answer. So for this question especially you may not understood properly. You do one thing, that is best method for you. First you write this as it is. Whatever I given the solution, you write completely first. Then you think what is the given condition, what they given, what we have to prove. So I have to prove ABC is similar to PQR. For this I constructed DE and MN so that DE and ED are equal, MN and PM are equal. So then these two quadrilaterals will become parallelogram. If they become parallelogram, then their opposite sides must be equal. Means AC equal to B, AB equal to CE, PR equal to QN, PQ is equal to RN. They are equal. Now you take the given conditions. With that conditions, they given these two sides and these two sides are proportional. AD and PM is also they given. Leave it. Don't bother about it. Two sides they given. Two sides. SAS, to apply SAS similarity criterion, I need one more angle, that is between the two sides. SAS means angle A is equal to angle P. I have to prove. That you keep in your mind. Angle A is equal to angle P. I have to prove. By taking that given ratio, I have to prove ABE similar to triangle PQN. Okay. From that, I can get this angle is equal to this angle. Now again, you can write directly. Similarly, I can get the triangle ACE similar to PRN. Again, from the similar triangle, I can get this angle and this angle are equal. Now, automatically I can write angle A is equal to angle P. So, two sides they are given and I got angle A is equal to angle P. Then automatically ABC triangle similar to triangle PQR. I can write. Okay. So, if first you write it as it is, you think of it, you see the solution once again, one or two times you see it, why they have taken like this. Okay. Then after thinking you will get some idea. If you are not getting this properly, don't bother about it. Okay. So one or two times you see it, then you will get more idea about it.